Okay, let's tackle the biggest question on pretty much everyone's mind right now. How in the world do you stay valuable when AI is everywhere? Well, the answer lies in this powerful little framework, and it might just be your new favorite acronym.
I mean, let's just get right to it. This is the question that's probably keeping a lot of us up at night. With these AI tools just exploding in capability, it's totally natural to wonder where you fit in. Are all the skills you spent years and years building suddenly obsolete?
Let's just be real for a second. Tools like ChatGPT can spit out information in the blink of an eye, and that's turning raw knowledge, just facts and figures, into a cheap commodity. The result? Our digital world is getting absolutely flooded with generic, kind of soulless content.
But, and this is the big but, here's the pivot. There's something that AI, at least right now, simply cannot copy. It can't fake a lifetime of experience or genuine expertise that's been built over years, or the kind of trust you build with people. That authentic human value, that's your new competitive edge.
So, okay, how do you actually signal that human value? Well, you use a framework that comes straight from Google's playbook, EEAT. Think of it as your guide to proving that your work actually matters.
So let's break down what this thing actually stands for. First, you've got experience. We're talking your unique, real-world stories. Then comes expertise, your proven deep skills. Next is authoritativeness. That's being recognized as the go-to person. And finally, trustworthiness, being accurate and transparent. See, an AI has tons of data, but you have judgment and a reputation.
All right, so now we know what EEAT is, but how does that become your actual survival kit in this new world? Let's get into the practical advantages, the stuff that really gives you an edge.
This is where the rubber really hits the road. AI-powered search engines are literally designed to hunt for these high EEAT signals to show people reliable, human-made information. And what does that mean for you? It means you get seen. It means you get cited as a source, not just scraped for data by some algorithm. This is how you make your knowledge truly resilient.
And let's be super clear. The stakes here are enormous. We're talking about a creator economy that's worth over $500 billion. So this isn't just about search rankings. This is about your ability to build a career, to generate an income, and to actually have some control in this massive, growing part of the economy.
So this all presents a pretty clear choice, right? On one side, with strong EEAT, your value is something you can monetize, you can own it, and people can discover you. Without it, well, your work just gets scraped by AI, you get zero credit, and your value basically just evaporates into the machine. The difference is pretty stark. Okay, now for the most important part of all of this, how to actually build your edge. It's time to stop just worrying and start doing something about it.
And here's how you can start, today. Start sharing your proven results, show off your case studies. Go out and get endorsements and citations from other people in your field. And maybe most important of all, start to structure your unique experience-based knowledge in a way that's really valuable to other people.
A really powerful way to think about all this comes from Donald Odenese's concept of productized IQ. The idea is that you're not just a person with some knowledge in your head, you're actively turning that knowledge into a resilient, valuable asset, a product that's going to secure your place for the long haul.
So, let's end on this thought. In an age that's dominated by machines, your most valuable asset is your authentic humanity. It's not just your survival kit, it's your ultimate edge.